Hey there, Dr. Ashley Mack, owner of Ashley Mack Performance and Rehab and Hudson River Fitness. Today I'm going to talk to you about the slow motion mountain climber. And for many of you, you might have seen the mountain climber done quickly in explosive manner, such as this, where you're in a plank position and you end up pulling those legs as fast as you can. Sometimes your feet are on the floor as well. And you can actually use that as an exercise for cardio type boot camp activities. What you can also use the mountain climber for is the ability to create tension right here in the abdomen or your core. A lot of times when I'm working with people who have hip issues, specifically right here in the groin, I find that they have a limited ability to recruit the abdomen or the core, the deep core muscles, especially when they're doing movements such as squatting, deadlifting, and even running. So a way that you can actually do this is by slowing the movement down and allowing your body to actually feel the engagement of your obliques and your deeper core musculature. So a way that you're going to do it is the following. You're going to start off in a plank position. You want to make sure that you have really strong elbows and really strong shoulders. The moment you let your shoulders kind of sink, you lose the ability to actually maintain tension throughout your entire system. So your goal is to pull the belly button in as tight as you can, and then from here you got to keep the belly button squeezed, and then from here you're going to take the knee, and your goal is to try to get your knee to the elbow, and you are going to be moving at this speed, if not slower. What you should be feeling is tension right here in your obliques. Your heart rate's going to go up, not because you're moving quickly, but you are moving slowly and under control. This is a really great exercise and movement for those who are experiencing issues when it comes to squatting and also even deadlifting, to help you understand that it is important for you to squeeze and maintain as much tension in this as possible, especially when you're doing exercises such as the squats, deadlifts, and even running. So if this is something that you find useful, go ahead and try it at home. Try maybe 10 to 15 per side to really wake up your system, and then reassess and see how your squat and your deadlifts feel. If they feel a little bit better, fantastic. If they don't, that's really not the end of the world. And if that's the case, I highly suggest that you book a phone call with myself or another healthcare practitioner to find a plan that works specifically for you. So go ahead and try that out and let me know how it goes.